Hey guys, it's Adair with Tweak It Studio, and I'm here today working on this secretary desk. I won it in an auction this week and I'm excited to get started on it. The plan is we are going to start with a charcoal gray chalk paint by Rainbow Chalk Paints. So the base of this will be in a dark gray, just to give it a more modern feel. And then we're gonna throw some of this fun fabric, which is actually West Elm curtain that I'm repurposing into fabric. So I'm excited to get started. And just as a heads up, I do a lot of custom refinishing. So if you have a piece that looks just like this at home, I'm your girl. Making some progress. This is my first coat of the charcoal gray. It'll dry much darker than this, and then once I do a second coat, it'll look really, really good. So far, I'm digging it. The inside, I'm still holding off on what color I do this because I'm gonna work on the dresser drawers first, and then I'll decide on the color. So until then, I will keep this closed, keep it covered up so no paint gets on it, and I'll take it from here. All right, so the next step in this is doing decoupage fabric on these dresser drawers. So I'm actually using my West Elm curtains that I love so much. And I'm gonna cut these up into little sections here and measure them up first and get the right sizing for each drawer because each drawer is a different size. And then I'm going to use some Mod Podge glue, which is like a decoupage glue. It's great for fabric. The purple label is meant for furniture. And I'm going to brush on the glue and simply just glue on the fabric to the front of the drawer. And then I'll slit a little hole, a little X on both of these so that I can cut away and the hardware will pop through. So let's have at it. So I just kind of put these dresser drawers in just so I can kind of get a feel of what the piece is looking like and how it's taking shape. This is the first coat of the gray, so tomorrow I'll do a second coat. And then this is just a really rough of the fabric here. It'll all be neatened up once the glue dries. All of the hardware will get neatly cut out of the fabric. So that'll all look much nicer, but this is just a kind of end of phase one of just me figuring out what do I want to do next. So yeah, we're making some progress.